Good morning, welcome to Budapest, and I'm standing on one of the main streets just outside our hotel, the Ibis Styles Hotel. It's a very sunny day and we're going to do an orientation walk very shortly with Christin, and then after that we think we will head towards one of the baths because it's going on the river cruise tonight, so that should be really exciting, so watch out for that. So
feel much better? Much better.
smile and look interested. I'm following Andrea.
Hi.
Fashion Street, Budapest. Your lifestyle.
I'm hungry and hungry.
You're hungry and hungry?
I always wanted to say that.
Heading towards the cathedral. And there's part of it peeking out.
Oh, look at these flowers.
Are those real?
Yeah, I would think so.
That's your souvenir shop, Andre? What a building this is. Budapest Cathedral.
This looks very Roman.
Liberty Square.
There are two main controversial monuments on Liberty Square, and one of them is just past that fountain over there. We'll walk past it so you can have a look. The monument was actually erected in secret. The population was against it, and so there was no official ceremony when it opened because they knew nobody would attend. And so one day the Hungarians woke up and it was there, and it depicts Angel Gabriel representing Hungary being attacked by an eagle representing Germany.
Oh.
And the reason they didn't like it is because they say it falsifies history.
Yeah, a lot of people are in the middle of these fountains. Liberty Square. Oh, look at the... This is the ventilation shaft of a bunker.
Ruling politicians, their families, and a few high generals. And the United States.
Is this during Soviet times?
I think World War II.
World War II.
And the people who built this bunker and dug down were told they're building a metro station.
Oh,
Piggy.
little Kermit here. Smarter than the average frog.
That the Hungarian national TV had bought a Muppet Show, which was huge in the late 80s because it was Western TV, and oh goodness, were they excited.
I'm going to go and find out what this memorial is. Well, it looks fairly dramatic.
So this is the other controversial monument I was just going to point out. This monument honors the Soviets who had liberated Hungary from the Nazis.
Okay.
And after World War II, they erected this right here, right across from the American embassy, which is behind the trees here. Yes, that's not a coincidence. And of course, then with the change of systems in 1989, when communism fell down, the Soviet Republic collapsed, they basically, the Hungarians wanted to take this down. And Russia insisted, no, you can't.
Well, yeah, he would have been
The senior.
Sorry.
He was the first American president.
George Bush.
Democratic Hungary. And the story is that, of course, he was anticipated, right? He was going to have a speech in Budapest, and people were looking forward to this because they had come out of 40 years of communism. They were excited about this democratic system. They had heard so much good things about. They trusted politicians. They thought they were noble and, you know, great creatures that you put your faith in. And so they were waiting in the pouring rain for hours because he got delayed on his way to Budapest. And he
tried to try from Vienna.
And he had a speech prepared on a piece of paper. And when he walked up in front of the crowd and he saw all these people having waited there for hours in the rain, he was so touched that he tore up his speech and just spoke from his heart and addressed them sincerely. The speech is on YouTube, I'm told, and it's quite moving. So if you want to see that.
And here we have Ronald Reagan with his name and everything down the bottom. Good old Ronald. Oh. Oh, so this is Parliament. Wow, that is quite a building. Quite a building, Andrew, isn't it? Nice, nice. Second biggest parliament in Europe, and they only use one wing of it. Just had some thunder and lightning there, so the waterproof coat is on, but you can see behind me the side of the Parliament buildings, and we are now heading towards the Danube and to get our first view of the river and the castle. Wow, it's a big river. Thunder and lightning? Over there somewhere?
Yeah. Just around the corner.
It's chucking it down in Budapest. Everybody's sheltering underneath the trees. You there, Andre? We have now made it to the Chocolate Museum. Upstairs, is it? Oh, lovely. That's the Parliament bit there. But here we have this, I'll call this Roundtree Mackintosh poster. Yeah. Roundtree's was York and Halifax, I think.
Oh, so it's a significant function.
Yeah, we were at some place like the Denver Natural History Museum, where
Is it raining, Jay? Is it raining?
it is.
Here comes Denise. It's a little bit wet underfoot. But are we downhearted? No. Oh no. Please stop, please stop. Thank you very much, thank you very much. Tour through the window. You don't get this with Rick Steve. There's the shoes. We were so near.
Yeah, we were.
So near and yet so far.
What do we get? Hello, Andrea. Okay, so we've just got the metro to this station, and this should bring us to the famous baths.
Oh my.
And there it is.
This is it, right
This is it. This is it. Follow the leader, leader, leader. Follow the leader. So we've just come out of the Szechenyi Baths.
Yes.
2.5 hours in there,
Yes.
maybe.
So I'm about to fall asleep.
Did you enjoy it?
Very good.
Good,
Excellent.
good experience.
Yeah.
What did you like the best?
Just
Relaxing.
relaxing.
She liked the men in the Speedos.
No, you need to say the overweight men in the Speedos.
Oh no, I like Jay's comment better. Yeah, I think that was. I think I'll keep that one in. We're now heading to Hero Square. That's it in Hungarian. Hero Square. Wow. Ooh, bless you. That. There's quite fancy buildings over here as well, so this is something we might have to investigate again. Just come up a little bit closer to the horses. There you are. Sadly, it's starting to rain again. So we're going to Pier 7 to get on boat. A beautiful boat. There it is. Do we get piped aboard? Good evening. All the happy people. Oh, yes. Darker's up this end. Isn't that lovely, Andrew? I like that. That is lovely. Absolutely. Darker. Yeah.
Oh, that's the chain bridge.
That's the chain bridge.
Are we coming back that way? Yeah. Okay, I'll go with you.
There's no other way back.
Oh, where are you well, yes, it's a river. We have to come back.
Oh,
That's the daft question of the day.
oh yeah.
There's the funicular now.
So it is.
Yes, I promised you.
They're gonna spit on you.
They might.
Throwing their photos, hidden the finger.
No. That's lovely. I got myself with this one.
Wow, this is a good picture.
Coming through, coming through. You wanna look at me?
Just ask.
Here comes Ed, here it comes.
I can see the posters right now.
I can see a jigsaw.
Oh my god.
I can see a jigsaw.
Oh, that would be such a hard one. That would be such a hard one to.
See a
Can you
jigsaw.
imagine all that yellow?
What's wrong with you?
I think it's 2,000 pieces this one.
Oh my god, that would be.